In this video, I'm gonna check if we can use Quick Share from Samsung Galaxy A27 with AirDrop from iPhone. Usually, in order to check if it is possible to use both of these features together and transfer files, is on iPhone, we need to actually go to AirDrop and we want to set it to everyone for 10 minutes. Also, you might want to, of course, enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. And ideally, you want to use the same Wi-Fi network. And then we can go to, for example, Quick Share on our phone now. We're gonna go to the Send section. We're gonna choose files that we want to transfer. I'm just gonna choose an example picture over here. And then we should be able to find iPhone over here on this list of devices nearby. But it seems that nothing appears over here. It seems that it doesn't really work. But what we can do, in addition to that, is we can get the QR code. We can generate a QR code and you can try to use it on iPhone. So let's see if this is going to work. There is also this link that we can use, of course, but I'm just gonna open the QR code scanner on iPhone and we're gonna scan this QR code over here. Let's see if we can use it. There we go. We can open the browser and here we have the shared file. So we can download it on our iPhone. There we go. And let's open it. Let's open in downloads maybe. And here is the screenshot. So yes, we can actually somewhat transfer files from Galaxy A27 to iPhone with the Quick Share and AirDrop. We can actually make it somewhat work. Unfortunately, we cannot make it work directly, and we have to use the QR code or generated link instead. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.